सेक्टरों में काम कर रहे हैं?
सर एज ए सर्विस इंडस्ट्री के रूप में बिहार एक प्रोस्पेक्ट अच्छा है। इसके दो तीन कारण हैं। पहला कारण, अगर आप कहीं भी आईटी इंडस्ट्रीज में आप जाएंगे तो मैक्सिमम ऑफ द एम्प्लॉयज वर्किंग देयर आर फ्रॉम बिहार और वी कैन से ईस्टर्न यूपी दैट समटाइम रिजेंबल्स अ पार्ट ऑफ बिहार एज वेल। तो वो एक जब हमारे पास एज ए इफ यू कंसिडर एज ए लेबर रिसोर्स, तो लेबर रिसोर्स प्लेंटी है here, since service industry doesn't require much of investment in kind of only land and security they require.
कुछ जो लैंग्वेज बोल सकते हैं जी।
What is the role of labor and social welfare in administration?
Sir, labor and as sir, labor is a part of society, wherein it also includes different kind of people also working or living in this society. So if we are working for this whole community or whole people, as if we take people as a whole, so labor is also a part of that society.
So, Indian society is dynamic.
हाँ sir.
Please explain it.
Sir, Indian society is dynamic in the sense in every form. Sir, from ancient time till now, we have seen changes in the society. Either if we take as a first thing कि हम अगर लोगों के सोच, लोगों के अलग अलग तरह के कार्य करने की प्रवृत्ति और उनके अलग अलग तरह से जो किसी भी चीज़ों को टैकल करने की शक्तियों को अगर देखें तो हम कह सकते हैं कि इंडियन सोसाइटी बहुत हद तक डायनेमिक है।
अच्छा, व्हाट इज मीन्स डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ इंडिया?
Sir, diversity in India we can consider in every form. Either in geographical form, we have northern India, which is topmost part of India, where we have hilly areas where we find a temperate type of climate, and we have also plains which is quite fertile by different kinds of rivers and all. And we have also deep south we have Deccan Plateau, which gives a different kind of topography as well. Same in the case if we come from east to west also, we find diversity there. Again, if we take language also as a part of diversity, we have all sorts of language. We have more than 400 plus language in India, and regional language as well. But if we take the type of clothes people wear, we have different sets of it all depends on the kind of weather we have, but we can say there also is a kind of diversity. If we say the people, the races of people, there also we find a diversity. And if we say religion, sir, we have all sorts of religion in India, since we are a secular country, so we have all sorts of religion. So there also we have the diversity.
Okay, now we all are finding out the information that India must be the permanent member of UNSC.
Yes.
Okay, and now some nations are also challenging to India. What's the reason? Are you assuming that India must be the member of the permanent members of the UNSC? And which types of steps must be taken by which we can be the acceleration?
Okay, sir. As per my understanding, sir, India must be a part of UN Security Council as a permanent member. Since we have served in this United Nations Security Council as non-permanent member from quite some time. We have been a major force in South Asia, wherein if we take the area wise, we are the 7th largest. We take the population wise, we are the 2nd largest. If we take measure of the export oriented economy also, we are one among the top 10 where we provide a kind of export to different.
Okay, if you are talking about the trade and marketing,
yes.
Okay, in this scenario, if I'm talking about the importing and exporting, okay, from which countries I'm getting the surplus trade market?
So we generally get a surplus trade market from North America, particularly US, Canada, kind of, and also at times, sir, I think these two countries are most prominent.
What is the worth contributions of the America from the surplus trade market?
Sir, I'm not exactly. I cannot. Sorry, sir. I don't remember the exactly, but I can get if you can permit, sir. I can just can guess
Okay,
it
okay.
is 80 billion plus.
80.
Yes.
Yeah, 15 to 20 billion.
Sorry, sir. I just put a guess in the number.
कोरोना काल में क्या इम्पैक्ट बना आप लोग के खासकर सॉफ्टवेयर सेक्टर में क्या इम्पैक्ट देखने को मिल रहा है?
सर, दो तरह से इम्पैक्ट को हम देख सकते हैं, एक पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट, एक निगेटिव इम्पैक्ट। जो इनिशियल डेज में सर जनरली हमें निगेटिव इम्पैक्ट देखने को मिले थे। ये एक एजम्पशन किया गया था कि जो भी कोरोना के कारण